Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I finally got my order in from Dillard's. I got the Dior Holiday Golden Nights collection. I got 3 items from there, and if you've been following me for a little while, you know I've been waiting for this and then realized a week later that I never clicked on purchase because I probably got interrupted by my kids. Oh. So this is a little late, but I thought I'd go ahead and do a first impressions and try on of these items. So let's go over this. So the first thing I got was the Couture Golden Nights Collection Limited Edition eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this one, and this one, the one I got. And right here on the package, it says how to do a soft look and a intense look. Soft look and intense look. But we're gonna try all 5 of these shadows today. So I'm gonna keep this right here. And let's read what it says on the Dillard's website. It says, Dior invites you to celebrate a magical, enchanting holiday season with new limited edition variations of the iconic 5 Couleur Couture eyeshadow palette. A creamy and comfortable texture that does not crease, intense color with extremely long wear, which I need because I've got a greasy face, a duo of double-sided applicators for full creative expression. So the one I got was Golden Snow 549, and it has shades of peach gold, white gold, copper gold, and velvety brown around a pure yellow gold eyeshadow. And it also gives ideas of how to apply the looks. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And here's the inner packaging, and it's got the plastic. Let me get the plastic out. It also comes with applicators. One has the foam applicator, and then the other one has brush applicators. Of course, I won't be using these, but let's go ahead and swatch these. Let me take these applicators out. I'm gonna go around this way. So this is my first Dior quint, and those applied so smooth. And then let's go into the golden one, right in the middle. So that's what this snow, what did I call it? Golden snow looks like. So let's go ahead and try these on the eyes. I'm gonna be using my BK Beauty brushes. So I'm taking my BK Beauty 201, and I'm gonna go into this peachy shade right here and use that as my transition shade. Now it looks like they're all shimmer shades except for this brown. So let's go into the shimmer shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Let's get all the creases, if I have any, out. And I'm gonna use this. I'm okay with all shimmer shades as my eyeshadow. I don't have to have a matte, although I do prefer matte, but I'm okay with all shimmers too. Let's bring you in a little closer so you can see. This just gives me a light wash of color, and I do not have any eye primer on. I like to try everything without an eye primer at first because testing the shadows, and this says it's a long wear, so I shouldn't really need an eye primer, except maybe to have the colors look a little more intense. So there's that with the peach shadow. I'm gonna go in with my BK Beauty number 205. It's got an angle shader brush kind of a look, and I'm going into this green kind of a color, and I'm gonna use that on my outer. And I just dipped it so I wouldn't go too strong because I didn't know how it would look. Oh, that is a pretty color. I'm gonna take that in a little bit, and then I'll blend it here in just a second. Go back in with my original brush. I'm going in with my BK Beauty 203 brush. It's a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go into this gold color right in the middle, and I'm gonna use that on the rest of my lid and blend that in with the green color. I just cleaned off that brush. Then I'm gonna go into this frosty color, and I'm gonna use that on my brow bone. Then I'm gonna use that to go onto the inner corner. Then I'm gonna use my flat shader brush and go into this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna use that to line my my upper lid, outer third, and my lower third. Like that. Ooh, that's a pretty look, isn't it? Let me put a little bit more of that green. Let's make that a little bit more intense. Okay, let me tightline my waterline, put on mascara, and we'll be back to try more products. Next, I got the Golden Nights Rouge blush. It comes in this packaging from Dior, and this is my first Dior blush as well. And this is the limited edition powder blush. Oh, this one comes in a velvet pouch. Well, the eyeshadow did not, but this comes in a velvet pouch. This is what the outer packaging looks like, similar to the eyeshadow. And it comes with a brush and some plastic. So let's take those out and let's look at that. I just ran my finger over, but isn't that beautiful? So this is what the blush looks like. And let me read to you what it says. They also had a highlighter, but I didn't get it. So I got the 353 Rose Frisian. The Dior powder blush reveals 2 limited edition shades for the holidays in a wintry pink and a luminous gold with a snowflake pattern. Thanks to its ultra pigmented formula, Rouge blush gives an intense buildable color that lasts. The texture blends seamlessly on the skin for flawless all-day wear. So this is a crystalline pink. So let's go ahead and try this. So I do have bronzer and highlighter on, but I wanted to try. For this, I'm gonna use my BK Beauty 104 brush, and so I just wanna tap that in and look at the color that comes on there. So let me take some of that out. Oh, that's a pretty pink. Isn't that gorgeous? Crystalline pink for the winter. Ooh, I'm not usually too much of a pink person, but this looks good for holidays, don't you think? Okay, so then the last product I got was one of the lippies from the Golden Nights collection. So these are limited edition lipsticks, and look, it looks like a barbell. Let's do some weights. No, that's what they're called, the Diorific, and I got mine in the color 70, which is the dazzling beige. So let's read what it says. The legendary lipstick with haute couture finish, the signature of Dior glamour, housed in a gold jeweled case. The Golden Nights limited edition of Diorific lipstick offered in 4 new long-wearing shades, says long-wearing again, of red, nude, pink, and plum with a sparkling finish. Dress the lips in audacious and elegant color. For the most magical of seasons, delicate snowflakes have been engraved on the stick, a must-have to shine during the holidays. A sophisticated gift to offer your loved ones. So let's go ahead and look at this. So it opens like this. Oh, and look at how pretty the snowflakes are. Can you guys see that? That's pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that's really a beige. So let's try this on. It does have a perfume smell, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got like a pearlescent finish to it, like an opalescent finish to it. It feels comfortable and creamy. I think this is too much of a nude. Maybe I should have gotten a red shade. But that is my finished look of the Golden Nights collection from Dior. What do you guys think? I thought the eyeshadows worked really well. These are beautiful. They went on beautifully, and now this makes me want to try more quints from them, which I'm going to order during the Sephora holiday event. So that's pretty. I do like the blush. It's a little pink for me, but it went on beautifully. Makes me want to try more blushes too. And the lips, I'm gonna have to wear this with a lip liner, I think. Kind of a little beige. Maybe I should have gone for a little red for the holidays. Okay, let me know your thoughts down below. Have you guys tried these? Are you going to try them? They are available at Nordstrom's and Dillard's, so I'll have those all linked down below. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Share with a friend. That always helps my channel out a lot. And I'll see you next time.